Hey everyone, if you're a freelancer and want to get clients using LinkedIn in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use LinkedIn for freelancers. First, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Clearly mention your freelance service in your headline so clients immediately understand what you do. Next, write a strong about section. Explain your services, your skills, and the type of clients you help. Now, add your portfolio and work samples. This builds trust and shows proof of your skills. Use the services section on LinkedIn. List your freelance services so clients can find you easily. Post your work regularly. Sharing projects and results helps attract potential clients. Connect with business owners and potential clients. Send personalized connection requests instead of random invites. Finally, send professional messages or pitches. Keep it short, clear, and polite when offering your services. So yeah, that's how you use LinkedIn for freelancing in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can attract clients and grow your freelance career. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more freelancing tutorials for fast and easy guides.